Hi everyone, so here is my scope. Basically, I've got the setting the scene. So Lolly, the lorikeet, is flying around her home, which is in the trees. So she's telling everyone where her home is. So I've got this symbol here to represent the rustling of the trees. And then this symbol here is her flying around. Then in the rising action, I've got Lolly and friends discuss cutting down of the trees and what to do. So I've got this bit here, which is the cutting down the trees sound, and this is the rustling of the trees again. In the climax, the tension kind of rises as Lolly worries about her future of having no home. So I've got this symbol here to represent the tension sound. So Lolly panics about not having a home, and then again the rustling of the trees, so that's constant throughout. The falling action is where Lolly and friends are excited about their ideas and they explore them. So they've come up with a few different ideas. So I've got this symbol here to represent vocal cheering. So basically, it's a happy time. Then the resolution, Lolly and friends agree to plant trees and talk to the council. They're all happy. So I've got, again, the flying around, and then a rustling of the trees and vocal cheering. So I will now play them for you with my little DIY instruments that I just found around the house. So I've got Lolly playing. So now I'm going to play for you the sounds using these DIY instruments I just found around the house. So I'll start from here with Lolly flying. Thank you.